How to create table on Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So first things first, open up your Microsoft Word on your PC or your laptop and then go to Insert and tap on Table. Now you can drag and customize the table however you want. Now once you have chosen the option that you want, the rows and columns, then you just have to hit an enter. Then if you want to add another table again, what you have to do is go to the insert option again, tap on table, tap on insert table, and you can even add the number of rows and columns that you want. You can just remove the number that's already given and hit the number that you want and just tap on OK and another table will be inserted. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.